In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add elements in Canva. Whether you're building a presentation, a social post, or a flyer, elements are the building blocks that give your design personality and structure. Let's keep this simple and clear, so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening the project you want to work on in Canva. Once your design is on screen, look to the left-hand side of the editor. You'll see a vertical menu, and in that menu, there's an option labeled Elements. Click that. This opens a panel full of creative building blocks you can add to your design. Inside Elements, you'll find a wide mix of options, including images and photos, videos, grids, and more. Grids are useful for clean photo layouts, while frames let you drop an image into a specific shape. You'll also see graphics such as icons, shapes, lines, stickers, and sometimes charts or illustrations. Think of this panel as your toolbox. It's where you pick the visual pieces that bring your idea to life. If you're not sure exactly what you want, browse through the categories. They're organized to make discovery easy, so you can scroll through themes and styles until something stands out. This is a great way to spark ideas, especially if you're designing from scratch or exploring a new look. If you already have something in mind, use the search bar at the top of the Elements panel. Type a keyword that matches what you need, like a topic, a style, or a mood. You can try variations of a word to see different results, and you'll notice that results often include multiple types: photos, graphics, and videos. Look at the small labels on each thumbnail to quickly identify what type of element it is before you choose. When you find the element you want, simply click it. That's it. The element will immediately appear on your canvas, ready for you to work with as part of your design. If you're experimenting, feel free to try a few options. Clicking a different element will add it too, and you can keep the ones that fit your vision. A quick tip as you explore: some items may be marked as premium. If you prefer to stick with free options, keep an eye on those labels as you browse or search. And that's the process. Open your project, click Elements on the left, browse the categories or use the search bar, and then click the element you want to add. Simple, fast, and flexible. Perfect for building a polished design in minutes.